far this season, we've covered why your sales system matters, why it might suck, and waded through the sales process terms and big picture. You might be wondering at this point, so what makes a good sales system? Lucky you! That's precisely the question we're answering in this episode. In previous episodes, we have acknowledged that change is hard, and sometimes we keep using the existing system because we have no idea it could be any different. I don't know about you, but I can best envision change and progress for myself when I have examples of how it could be done and how others have done it. By now, you've already heard me list off all the virtues of a good kitchen and bath design business sales system, that it gives the business owner visibility into that black box of the sales process, improves predictability of sales, decreases stress for the users, and improves profitability. The system is not just about the technology, software, or tools. Here at Fiery Effects, we know that good systems are 30% the tools and 70% how they're used. So here are 5 indicators of a good sales system. First, ease of use and access. A good system is easily accessible and user-friendly on any device. Real-time input and access for the data from mobile devices improves the quality and accuracy of the information. Clear definitions on where to store and locate information is key. Regular training sessions can further enhance users' familiarity with the system. Great, so number 2, transparency of information and process. Clear visibility of the sales process and information is crucial. A good sales system delineates the sales process into identifiable stages, allowing you to track leads and identify trends. Simplicity is important. Overcomplicated systems can be stumbling blocks to efficient operation and utilization of the system. 3, effective lead management. An effective system enables comprehensive recording of every prospect and lead, complete with detailed information. This allows designers to monitor and update lead statuses efficiently. A well-integrated system that encompasses all lead sources helps to optimize lead management, meaning more time for innovative designing. 4, information at your fingertips. Immediate access to and easy input of information is crucial in any sales system. Dashboards and analytics provide critical insight into sales processes, making it easier to pinpoint where resources might be better allocated and identify potential trends or issues. And 5, potential to grow with you. A truly effective sales system works for you now and is capable of scaling up as your business expands. While spreadsheets may have worked in the early years, a robust, scalable system is necessary for sustainable business growth. Now, it might seem like some of these items are a bit contradictory. We need the system to be robust and have all the data on the contacts and their status, but we also need it to be simple and easy to use. Sure, yep, 100% is the balancing act. The sweet spot for an effective sales system captures the data points that are critical to decision making and doesn't sacrifice simplicity for unlikely to be used information. Understanding how your sales system can power and improve the ease and profitability of your business allows you to see possibilities for upgrading the system you use now. In the next episode, we'll be examining the sales system from the perspective of the salesperson. In the case of kitchen and bath design sales, that's typically the designer, which makes sales systems for these businesses particularly unique because the person working with them is visual in nature, and their priority is on the design for the client and not necessarily documenting all the sales interactions. Heads up! Hire Help, my book on how to use experts to shortcut improvement, growth, and capacity is launching October 23rd. Be the first to get the details on Hire Help and pre-order by going to hirehelpbook.com. Was this episode helpful? Take a moment to rate and review this podcast. Rating helps other kitchen and bath design owners discover our episodes.